Good morning! We are off to Katiklan and then Boracay. We are now leaving our temporary home here in Iloilo. Let's see. There. Medyo makalat na siya. Talagang ginamit namin. Konti lang tulog namin kasi we wanted to enjoy the house. Although si Hans needed to sleep din. Nakailang oras ka, Dada? 6? Kasi magda-drive pa siya ng 6 hours din from Dumangas to Katiklan. Hopefully, makatch namin yung last boat. Hindi namin alam, 24 hours ba boat doon? Kung hindi, baka mag-special trip tayo. Kasi ngayon yung check-in time, check-in day namin sa Paradise Garden. Let's see outside. It's a beautiful day, oh. Super sunny.
It's a beautiful day.
Sobrang init. Let's look at the house. Yan, ang cute ng house, no? So modern looking. Bye, Iloilo house. Next time, sa'yo ulit kami magbubook. Unless we find something better. Yun yung caretaker, mother-in-law nung may-ari. Yan yung house. So, diba? Yung tamang-tama yung bahay ko sa Alabang, dapat pinapa-Airbnb ko na lang ng ganito. Transient, para mas kikita siya. Yun nga lang, ang hirap kasi pag malayo. Anyway, ayoko nang dumuldaw. Yun